The Secret Garden, Vocabulary and Story Elements, Chapter 6 and 7. There were several days of constant rain, so Mary decided to explore the huge house. She went into many rooms and saw interesting things, like elephant carvings. She heard the crying again, but Miss Medlock discovered her and sent her back to her room. 2 days later, the weather cleared, and Mary was anxious to get outside. She was excited about spring and ran through all the garden. Was Mary excited about spring? Yes or no? Yes. Mary was excited about spring and ran through all the garden. She could not remember ever being excited in her whole life. The same robin flew towards the orchid, and Mary chased him. He flew from a branch to a rock wall, and from tree to tree, until he landed on the ground near a pile of freshly dug dirt. She saw something metal and picked it up. It was an old key. Maybe she had found the key to the secret garden. Mary found a key. Did Mary find a key? Yes or no? Yes, Mary found a key. Story elements. Can you tell me a character from this chapter? Yes, Mary is a character in this chapter. Can you tell me another character in this chapter? Yes, Miss Medlock is the other character in this chapter. Let's continue with our settings. Do you know where this story is taking place? The Manor in England. Yes, the story is taking place in the Manor in England. Can you tell me the problem of this chapter? Yes, Mary was looking for the secret garden. Can you tell me the solution? Yes, Mary found a key. What do you think that key will open? Maybe a locked room in the manor? Maybe the secret garden? Leave me a reply of what you think the key will open. Remember to do your exit tickets at the end. Until next time.